The writing had been on the wall for at least two of the recently constructed buildings on the St. Jude Hospital site. According to the minister who has overall responsibility for the reconstruction of the St. Jude Hospital, Guy Joseph, the buildings had to go as they were substandard and did not fit into the new vision for St. Jude. There was no last-minute stay of execution, no final plea. Their fates were sealed. On Wednesday afternoon, the heavy-duty machinery moved in to complete the dismantling began about a week ago by workmen who first removed windows, doors, roofs and other salvageable fixtures. Men with sledgehammers set the stage and then the wrecking crew came in to do the heavy lifting. By sunset on Wednesday, the first of the buildings earmarked for demolition had been reduced to rubble. What may have taken months to construct came down within hours.
90% of the buildings remain. From what I know, is just two structures, two of the smaller structures that would be impacted with any form of demolition. So the concept that St. Jude is being demolished, that's not the case. There are two of the buildings that were problematic, and these are the buildings that are being addressed as far as demolition is concerned. Everything else remains.
There is little information on what's happening at the St. Jude Hospital site. How much did the buildings earmarked for destruction cost? If indeed they were badly built, are the contractors being pursued for delivering below standard work? Was the required permission from the Development Control Authority granted before demolition? Stanley Lucian for the HTS News Force.